Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a daily hydration plan with Brita detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a daily hydration plan with Brita, start by assessing your hydration needs. Consider your age, weight, and activity level to determine how much water you should drink daily. A general guideline is to aim for half your body weight in ounces of water. Next, choose a Brita water filter that suits your needs, whether it's a pitcher, faucet mount, or bottle. Once you have your Brita filter, fill it with tap water and let it work its magic. As the filtered water is ready, set up a daily water consumption schedule. Decide on specific times during the day to drink water, such as morning, midday, and evening. Use a water tracking app or a journal to log your intake throughout the day. Consider carrying a reusable water bottle filled with Brita filtered water for on-the-go hydration. Set reminders on your phone to prompt you to drink water at regular intervals. Incorporate a variety of hydration sources, such as herbal teas or infused water, to keep things interesting. Adjust your daily plan based on feedback from your body. If you're feeling thirsty or fatigued, increase your water intake accordingly. Be mindful of your hydration during physical activities by consuming extra water before, during, and after exercise. Check in weekly to assess how well you're sticking to your hydration plan and make any necessary adjustments. Stay consistent and enjoy the benefits of proper hydration in your daily routine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.